we will solve this one. Which of the following ordered pairs is a solution of the inequality 6x plus 2y is less than or equal to 10? Okay, so ang gagawin natin dito, i-check natin ito isa-isa, itong lahat ng ordered pairs. So, kopyahin muna natin yung original na inequality natin, 6x plus 2y is less than or equal to 10. Unahin natin itong letter A. So, is-substitute natin itong value ng ating x at saka y. Yung x natin is 4. Then 2. Tapos yung y is 0. Is less than or equal to 10. 6 times 4 is 24. So, 2 times 0 is 0. So, plus 0. So, is less than or equal to 10. So, 24 is less than or equal to 2. So, this is equal to 10. So, this is false. Okay. So, try natin yung letter B. So, 6x plus 2y is less than or equal to 10. So, 6 times yung x natin is 2. Then, plus 2, yung y natin is 0. Is less than or equal to 10. So, 6 times 2 is 12. Plus 0 is less than or equal to 10. So, this is false. Okay? Kasi 12 is less than or equal to 10. So, false yan. So, letter C. The same inequality. So, 6 times yung x natin is 1. Plus 2, yung y natin is 4. Less than or equal to 10. So, 6 times 1 is 6. Plus 8. So, is less than or equal to 10. So, this is 14. Okay, so this is false. So, try natin yung letter D. 6x plus 2y is less than or equal to 10. Okay, so 6 times yung value ng ating x ay 1. Plus 2, tapos yung y natin is 1. Is less than or equal to 10. 6 times 1, 6. 2 times 1 is 2. So, is less than or equal to 10. So, 8 is less than or equal to 10. So, this is true. So, sa solution natin, letter D is the correct answer.